We must outrun it! To the south, quickly!
Mom! Dad! Where are you? Mom! Dad! Mom! Dad! Where are you? Please come back! Where am I? Mommy? Dabby! I don't know where I am.
Pardon the intrusion, Master Barnaby, but might I have a moment of your time?
Barnaby, please, I have to know. Am I strong enough to make the journey south this year?
I've been practicing every day. Oh, leave me alone, kid. Can't you see I'm trying to rest? You won't make it far in that condition.
And with this, we can finally reach the sunken city. The map says it's just beyond those waves.
Are you sure about this, Pixel? It sounds dangerous!
I've never seen a storm so fierce. I fought against the wind, but it ripped me away from the others. I was all alone. Check it out! These migration patterns are incredible. The data shows they go all the way past the equator.
I know the migration routes. I've been watching them for 50 years from this very spot.
Honestly, the pace we're keeping. We'll be there before we know it. We should slow down.
Where the good spots are. I always just followed Mom and Dad. Barnaby, Pixel, can you help me? Try slicing the water next time. Aim deeper.
You can do it, Aurora! Go, go, go!
I got one! Yes, I really did it! Look, a research vessel. They sometimes drop the most useful items. Be careful, little one. Those boats can be dangerous. Look at the size of that antenna. And what are they doing with that glowing screen?
All right, that's close enough. Time to come back.
The data stream confirms it. They went northeast, past the ice shelf.
Impressive for a gadgeteer.
We're finally close. See? This channel right here. The data from the research vessel confirms it's a shortcut. We can save hours.
That channel is far too dangerous, little one. We must take the
But my
longer route
calculations
around.
are precise, Barnaby. The data clearly shows this shortcut is stable.
But what if the winds shift? We planned for the coastal route. It's safer.
Let's use the shortcut, but proceed with caution and be ready to turn back if it gets too dangerous. We're only 2 days behind the flock. We've come so far together. Look, the lights are starting to show. We are almost home. We're here, my love. Mother, Father, I'm coming home. And then the storm hit, tossing us across the ice fields.
But Barnaby scared away the orcas.
I've never felt part of a community before. For 50 years, I watched migrations from a distance, always alone.
This watch records everything, but this gadget here measures the water temperature. Whoa, how does it do that? It has a sensor. We'll fly south, past the Great Glacier.
All right, I'm coming with you. It's time for an adventure.
And my new navigation system has the whole route mapped out.
Sometimes getting lost is the only way to truly find yourself. I found my way here, and I found true friends.